Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 2025. The IdeaPad Slim 15IRH10R features the Intel Core 5 210H processor, part of Intel's Raptor Lake H refresh lineup. This 8-core, 4 performance cores, and 4 efficient cores. The laptop's design is quite nice. It's made of plastic no-metal chassis here, but that smooth plastic feels fine. It's a nice dark hue that has more of a blue scheme in the light. It's a modern Lenovo design that looks a lot like higher-end Lenovo laptops. The hinge feels solid and opens to 180 degrees if you want to lie the machine flat, although I need both hands to open the laptop. It's a perfectly serviceable design. Processor Intel Core 5 210H, 8. Core 14th Gen chipset Intel SoC platform, storage 1 TB, NVMe memory, 16 GB DDR54800. Graphics integrated Intel. On the left side, Lenovo includes a power connector along with a second USB Type-A port, an HDMI 1.4 out port, a USB Type-C port, and a combo audio jack. On the right side, this machine has a USB Type-A port and a full-size SD card reader. Display 15.3-inch WUXGA19 20x1200 IPS 300 nits. Anti-glare, 45% NTSC 60 Hz. The keyboard feels reasonable. Lenovo laptops tend to have good keyboards, and this is comfortable enough. Camera HD 720p with privacy shutter. Dual N plus Bluetooth Wi-Fi 6, 802.1, 1AX 2x2 plus BT 5.2 audio chip high definition HD audio speakers. Stereo speakers 2 watts by 2, optimized with Dolby Audio camera HD 720p with privacy shutter microphone 2x, array battery 60 watt-hours, power adapter 65 watts, round tip 3-pin.